Check out these air fryer chicken wings. Gone are the days when you had to deep fry chicken wings in oil. Coming up, we're going to show you how to make air fryer chicken wings with 0 oil. Use a sharp, thin knife to separate the drummy from the wing and the wingtip. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of breading or seasoning on the outside of our chicken wings, but notice that we use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The brown sugar will caramelize, and that will make the chicken wings crispy and delicious. Before you mix the seasoning that's going to go on the outside of the chicken, go ahead and turn your air fryer on to 350 degrees so it can preheat. And by the way, folks, the brown sugar that we are using today is 1.5 years old. It's been stored in its original package with all the air pushed out of it, with this rubberized hairband around it on a pantry shelf. I like to use sealed containers to coat my chicken. This way I don't get my hands dirty. In that container, we have about 1/2 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili seasoning. That's not chili powder, that's chili seasoning, what you use to make chili with. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3/4 of a tablespoon of kosher salt, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll put the lid on and mix the seasoning up before we put the chicken in. Now we can go ahead and toss in the chicken and shake it up. Now notice how the chicken is all gray and unappealing. If you put chicken in an air fryer just like that, that's how it's going to come out. Gray and unappealing. I'll show you how to fix that in just a second. Next, I'm going to take the chicken and spread it out on a wire rack using a pair of tongs, and this also keeps my hands from getting dirty. The way that we're going to address this issue of the chicken wings having flour on them so that they're not ugly and unappealing when they come out is we're going to spray the chicken. Now, some folks spray the chicken with Pam or even butter flavored Pam. Since we don't want to use any oil for our chicken wings, and we're going to serve the chicken wings with a Thai-style chili sauce, we're going to spray the wings with a mild liquid smoke solution, and that will complement the taste of our chili sauce. We'll mix together 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke and put it in a spray bottle or a mister. We're going to spray the chicken on one side, flip it over, and spray the other side. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the chicken wings in the basket of the air fryer, and don't forget to protect your countertop if you need to. We want to space them out evenly. After about 15 minutes, pull the basket out and shake it up vigorously, or if you need to, use tongs to flip the chicken wings over. After about 25 minutes, pull the chicken wings out and check the internal temperature. You're looking for an absolute minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, but I would definitely go higher just to be safe. I never serve my chicken wings until they reach at least 175 degrees. We're going to add this Thai chili seasoning to our chicken wings, but I got question of the day for you. Do you like hot chicken wings? And if so, how hot do you like them? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks. We'll go ahead and add our Thai chili sauce and then zoom in and have a close-up look at these delicious spicy Asian chicken wings. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to make perfect air fryer chicken wings in almost no time. And if you think we did a good job on this video, a thumbs up would certainly be appreciated. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.